encourage more Filipinos to get their COVID-19 vaccine jabs, Senator Joel Villanueva suggested that President Rodrigo Duterte and Vice President Leni Robredo shoot a joint promotional video. Villanueva believes the country's two highest officials are the best endorsers because both have been given their COVID-19 vaccine jabs. Duterte has been injected with Sinopharm, while Robredo has received her first dose of AstraZeneca. In her weekly radio program, Robredo said she's ready to participate in the infomercial. Malacanang, on the other hand, is studying Villanueva's suggestion. The palace spokesperson insists the existing mask hugas iwas campaign has been effective during the pandemic. The infomercial had Duterte in it.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.